Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this website info app, which is WebCatalog. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about WebCatalog. WebCatalog makes it easy to turn any website into a standalone desktop app, helping you just stay organized and focused. It's perfect for separating work tools like Notion, Slack, or Gmail into individual window, and the interface is clean and it supports multiple workspace for managing different projects. However, the free plan is quite limited. You can only create 2 apps unless you upgrade. Some users also find the pricing confusing and the mobile support lagging. So in conclusion, Catalog is a great productivity booster if you use many web apps daily, but casual user might find the free version too restrictive. And that's it. I hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.